I'm Lori Bonner. I'm a team lead in our Florence, Kentucky Operations Center, and I wanted to go through our Lean Office visual. So our overall purpose of our Lean Office visual is really to have this whole group in our operations area to see as a group, know as a group, and act as a group. This particular visual will actually deep dive right into the actual action behind the team. So we're showing all of the work that is necessary to perform the operations and for our customers. So this will show, as we can see in this visual, each individual customer, along with any critical tasks, standard tasks, and the timing. So our critical tasks are actually established, and the times are established with our customer as far as the time that they need a certain task completed. This is very critical for our management staff. These are regular tasks, so as critical as they are also things that may just be kind of behind schedule or kind of out of the ordinary for time constraints. Then what we also have is where we are as far as by minute, the work that's already completed in green and what's left in orange. So we know, looking at this visual, if the management team needs to step in and maybe help a team to complete some critical tasks that are critical to our customer. If they're behind by several tasks, so you'll see higher numbers, do we need to step in and kind of help with some regular tasks? And then at the end of the day, do we complete everything? Or do we still have something outlined that we need to step in and make sure is completed for the day? So overall, this whole entire tool is populated by each individual team member's personal computers and laptops. So what this is going to allow them to do is click on a task to start it, click off a task when they're completed. We also have SOPs attached to every one of these tasks. This allows us to act if anybody is ill, on vacation, what have you, or has to leave early. We can change that task right to a different individual, and they can pick up without our customer feeling any impact whatsoever.